Struggling to automate your workflows or build AI applications without drowning in code? You're in the right place because we're diving deep into Flowise AI vs N8N. First up, Flowise AI. Notice its super intuitive drag-and-drop interface. This makes building complex AI flows incredibly simple, focusing more on logic and less on coding. Perfect for AI enthusiasts. Now, let's look at N8N. You'll see a similarly visual workflow builder, but N8N shines with its massive library of integrations, connecting to practically any web service you can imagine. Building in Flowise is drag, drop, and connect. See how easily we're creating a chatbot flow. It's designed for rapid prototyping and deployment of AI solutions. N8N lets you connect everything. This workflow grabs data from a Google Sheet and pushes notifications to Slack. It's powerless in seamless integration and automation. Let's talk cost. Flowise is open source and typically self-hosted, which means it can be free, with you managing the infrastructure. N8N offers both cloud and self-hosted options with varying pricing tiers based on usage. So, which one is right for you? Flowise AI empowers AI creation, N8N is your integration powerhouse. Assess your needs, test drive both, and choose the champion for your projects.